Alright guys, so yeah, again, I don't have enough time to record every job that I do, but today everybody on the Kia Sportage like 2011 or so, when you gotta do the condenser, the AC condenser, I see everybody that they have to pull the whole front bumper off. You don't have to, okay? Okay, this is the tray that it's in there, right? The little one. Well, it has a bolt here, a 10mm, two plastic clips here and here, and another 10mm there. Now, when you look at it from here, it's gonna have some holes, right? Those are Phillips heads, bolts, or screws, if you want to call them. Okay, it's this guy's here. Then once you take them off, and you got this one's off, you're gonna come underneath. You're gonna pry it open. Okay, you're gonna come underneath, and you're going to see this plastic piece. Well, see how it opens? Well, right underneath of it is a hole for another Phillip. You're gonna take that one off. You're gonna come over here, and you're gonna take the other one off, which is right there. And what that does, it makes this piece so you can take it off. Once you take it off, now you have access. This is the condenser. Now you have access. Now, yes, we still got to take some other stuff off. We got this plastic that has a bolt there. We're probably going to have to take the horn, which has two bolts here, and we just flip that over. The AC line has two lines right there, and then the little plastics, and that should just slide right up. So I'm gonna keep on moving forward doing this job, but everybody that I see just pulling the whole bumper off, so there's no need for that, guys. Alright, I'll be right back, and I'll show you guys after I take this little thing off and whatever's in the middle, what it is that you gotta do. Alright, so here you are, a couple of seconds later. There's little plastics. They have little clips on it. Okay, see those clips right there? So that just slides out. So this one is right there that has the two hooks. So it would just, you pull it out, you slide it out. This is for this side, it's the same thing. The little hooks, you just slide it up. Put that aside. This plastic got one bolt that's there, and it's supposed to have like two of these up here, but it did not have it. And then you got your horn. I can show you guys. It sits like that. It's two bolts. Take it off, throw it on the side, and then from there we can see our condenser. Now it has a clip here on the radiator, so you can slide it out, and it has another clip right underneath the cap. I don't know if you can see it right there, so you can slide it out. And then obviously the two nuts for the AC lines. Alright, so once we unhook that up and move the clips, that's supposed to slide right out. So let me go ahead and unhook that. The system doesn't have any freon. It has a leak on it. Apparently a rock or something punctured this thing. We did a leak test, and it was just, as soon as it got pressure, it was just going crazy. So yeah, so let me unbolt that, take that off, and that's it. Alright, be right back. Alrighty, so we just did the final steps. That is the one clip there, the one clip there, and the two lines are disconnected. That's our condenser. As you can see, there's no condenser in there. The bumper is still on. We don't have to remove the bumper to get the job done. So after this step, you back trace your ways. You still gotta wait for the new condenser to come in. I ordered it yesterday, but waiting on that to come in. So once I get it, I'll continue the video and showing you guys how to do it backwards. But if you got this far, you know how to do it backwards now, because all we have to do is just click it, put the plastics, bolt the two lines to it, change the seals on it, bolt the two lines to it, just put the plastic back on, and that's it. Pretty straightforward, easy enough. So yeah, if they tell you they gotta change the whole bumper or take the whole bumper out to get this job done, then do it. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so the part came in, we slide it in place, we tie the two nuts, the two tens, we put the little plastic back on, we just gotta guide it. We are going to put the horn, you gotta put the horn right there. Coge y son 210 del mismo tamaño, 210 corticos. Ajá, seguro, dos corticos, no, este y este. Ese y este. You're gonna put the horn back on. You gotta put this little plastic back on. Here we go. The 10 that goes there. And that's it, pretty much. And then we put the little plastic with the pins on it. And good to go. We should be able to start recharging the system with a Freon on. And it's just gonna work. Alright guys, like always, share, like, subscribe. Thank you for following and helping me out on that. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.